Assalamu alaikum, dear enthusiastic viewers and friend circle. A very good afternoon to all of you. This is Saifur Rahman in front of you. Today I have come at my college to take examination. So after completing my exam, I have come to my friend's apartment and I'm really honored that they have received me gratefully, and I would like to know something from my friend Zakaria. Basically, he's my boss. I started learning English from my friend when I was in first year. That time he used to talk a lot, and I thought that it would be better if I start learning English. And since that day, I started learning English, and now he's in front of myself and he will say something about his honors journey. Actually, last day he celebrated farewell, so I would like to know something about his feelings that he's gonna accomplish his honors. So, dear buddy, say
O-
something.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum, Saifur, and thanks all of audience for watching our videos. First of all, he is my very good friend, and there is no boss or client here. We are batchmate, and we are studying at Government Islamic College Department of English. Okay, if I
Oh
say
dear.
about my honors journey, it was